up his wife. His wife waked up. He told his wife to get dressed and come in the forest with me, and the wife did. So after that,
into the fire. Bye bye. Here you go, Abby. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all what a dead palm frond will do to a fire. Abby, look, follow me. See, we got this fun specimen right here. We're gonna throw her on into the fire and see what happens. We're just gonna send it. Beautiful fire. Oh crap, it burned my butt! It burned my butt!
Woo! It burned his butt!
Abby, give me the phone, it burned my butt! Look at the old bipolar dog. He's being a good boy. His brother's inside. We got the fire. Really? There's a hole in the trampoline?
Right here.
What? What do you want? Why are you wanting? Let's do some dumb redneck crap. Y'all get what I'm saying? They're hiding in the porch. I'm gonna do some dumb redneck crap. We're just gonna run, baby. Anytime now.
I don't like this.
Yeah, it's kind of sketchy. Oh, it's going up.
I don't like this.
It's going up. Come on. Oh. Oh, there it goes. Hello? I'm going to have to go out there and put that out.
Yeah, you are.
This can be
After the
fun.
pop.
Yeah, if it even goes off.
Oh my gosh. No.
Oh, God. Oh. That's cool. Abby, this is as bad as it's going to get. I really thought that was going to explode, but it just put a hole in the can. That's cool. That's probably going to explode.
That might explode.
I'm backing up, actually. Redneck fireworks. Jesus Christ. Oh, shit.
Shit, Bryce. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, I fucking got a tree. Oh, shit. I can't breathe. Okay, here's the aftermath of my little redneck explosion. We got the bottle. We got the fire pit. You're not supposed to do that. I almost caught the house on fire, and there were sparks literally in between the houses. Like y'all saw the video, it exploded. I about caught the tree on fire. I had to water the tree down. But yeah, I am now furthermore banned from ever touching explosives. And I literally destroyed the grass. What is over there? I'm gonna get inside before I get eaten by a wild animal. But yeah, that's the